This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to redeem your Walmart money card. The most straightforward and often only way to redeem your funds is through the online portal or the official mobile application. You will need to ensure your card is properly registered and that you have all your account details ready. This process is designed to be secure and relatively quick, typically taking only a few minutes from start to finish. Always use official channels to protect your personal information. Once you are logged into your account, look for a clear option labeled Transfer Funds or Redeem on your main dashboard. This section will guide you through the available options for moving your money. You can usually link your personal bank account or transfer funds to another eligible debit card. Make sure all your details are accurate, as incorrect information can cause significant delays. Double-check everything before proceeding to the next step. You will then select where you want your funds to go, most commonly to a linked bank account or another debit card. Input the specific amount you wish to transfer. You can transfer a partial amount or the full balance. Be aware that some transfers, especially expedited ones, might incur a small fee, typically around $4 or $5. Standard transfers usually take between 1 and 3 business days to complete, but always confirm the estimate shown on your screen. After initiating the transfer, always confirm that the funds have successfully arrived in your designated account. This might take a few business days, so patience is key. Retain any confirmation numbers or emails you receive. These are valuable if you need to contact customer support later. If you experience any unexpected delays or errors, do not hesitate to reach out to Walmart Money Card customer service for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and resolve most issues promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.